Dear students, now we will start 14.4 exercise. In this exercise, we will study the central measures of tendency. Central measure of tendency means mean, median and mode. Now let me explain you what do we mean by these terms. So very first of all, you all are familiar by mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. Very first of all, mean is denoted by x bar, and in the junior classes you have learnt this formula for mean, that is sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. But dear students, this is the formula meant for only the ungrouped data. This is for ungrouped data. If you will get grouped data, the new formula for mean is summation of xi into fi divided by summation of fi, where this is known as summation. So the name suggests we will take the sum. इसका मतलब होता है sum, and this is the symbol. This zigzag is the symbol. So this is for ungrouped data, this is for grouped data. So remember this formula also. Now, what do you mean by mod? If some observations are given to you in the question and you have to find out the mod, then which observation is termed as the mod? The observation which occurs maximum number of times. जो term maximum number of times repeat होगी, that is the mod of the given data. Now next is median. Dear students, you have to remember median in two steps. The very first step is arrange the observations in increasing order. This is the most important step. Arrange the observations in increasing order or ascending order. Second step to find out the median is that you have to check whether the number of observations given are odd or even. Are they odd or even? If they are even, so we will use this formula, and if they are odd, we will use this formula, right? So if the number of observation, like आपको 10 observations दे रखी हैं, तो we will take median वो term होगी जो इस formula से मिलेगी. Means 10/2 means fifth term plus 10/2 means 5 plus 1 means sixth term. तो फिफ्थ टर्म हम ऑर्डर में देखेंगे विच इज़ प्रेजेंट एट फिफ्थ प्लेस एंड विच इज़ प्रेजेंट एट सिक्स. दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, देन डिवाइडेड बाय 2, टेक आउट देयर मीन, यू विल गेट द मीडियन. बट इफ द नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस आर ऑड, देन यू कैन अप्लाई द डायरेक्ट फार्मूला. लाइक 9 टर्म्स आपको दे रखी हैं, तो आप लिखोगे 9 + 1/2 विथ टर्म, जो भी आपका आएगा. लाइक 9 + 1 10/2, फिफ्थ टर्म इज़ द मीडियन. So in even you have to select 2 terms, and what is the difference between this bracket and this? In this you can see 2 is only divided by n. पहले division है, then addition is there. But in this n + 1/2 means पहले addition है, then division. So remember these formulas for your 14.4 exercise. Now let us practice these formulas on the first question. In the first question, what they are asking you, the following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. How many matches? कितने 10 मैचेस में कितने गोल हुए? फर्स्ट मैच में 2 गोल्स, सेकेंड मैच में 3. सो फाइंड द मीन. सो मीन का क्या फॉर्मूला है? सम ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल. तो हम सबको प्लस करेंगे, then divided by how many observations are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 given bhi hai. So we'll take 2. So we will write for question number 1, we will write question number 1, mean is equal to, we'll add all the observations, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 10. So by solving it, you'll get the mean, right? Now Dear students, second part is find out the median. So because for the median we have to arrange the observations in which order? Increasing order. So we will do it now.